wanted to make this video for a long time now, and I finally have a reason. Well, I've always had a reason. I finally had an excuse, and that is because I just scanned a book out here at the Kick Scanner for a project I'm working on, and I want to turn it into searchable text because when you scan a file out here, it just saves each page as an image and then compiles the whole thing in a PDF. So if you roll over the page with your mouse, with your cursor, you'll see that it doesn't turn into an I-beam, and an I-beam is what you need in order to highlight text. So I'm going to show you how to create and to use the OCR setting in AcrobatPro DC, which we all have access to. If you don't have it on your desktop in your office, you can ask the help desk to install it, or you can come over to the library, and most of the machines here have it. You'll be here anyway if you're using the Kick Scanner. So there you go. So anyway, to start with, I know that my chapter actually started on page 259, not 258. So I'm going to go right to Organize Pages first, and I'm going to delete this first page. Okay, just by clicking on that. Now it's starting on the page I want it to. Okay, so now if I just double click on this page, it brings me back to where I was. And now I want to actually enhance the scans. So to enhance the scans, the enhancement that I want to make is to recognize the text. So I click on Recognize Text in this file, and then all I have to do is click the button here. That's it. Just click Recognize Text and you'll watch. It's going to go through every page, and if you have a lot of pages, it'll take a few minutes. It's going to go through every one of them and recognize the text and put a text layer on top of that page. And of course, the advantage to that is that when you're using these documents in your research, you can highlight a section in it. You can highlight a section of text and then copy and paste it into a paper that you're working on. You can actually edit it if you wanted to. But you know, I don't really see the need for editing as much as just being able to highlight and copy text. The other advantage is that if you have a student who is or if you are visually impaired, the auto text readers in most on most computers will be able to read that PDF to you. So there's that advantage too. So we're about halfway through the document right now, and I don't have a lot more to say. Oh, no, we're not. We're done. We're done with the document. We're back to the front page. Okay, so let's see if it worked. Now when I roll over the text, look at that. It changes into an I-beam. Now here's the thing. It's not always 100% accurate. It's pretty good, but it's not always 100% accurate. You'll see that there's a couple holes here and there, and so I don't know if it's going to be a perfect translation or not. This doesn't look too bad. Sometimes, I don't know if you've ever downloaded a document from JSTOR and found that you know, when you try to cut and paste some text from it, it's all garbled. I've never had that happen doing what I've just shown you how to do here. But I can't guarantee that it's going to be a perfect translation. But it sure is faster than having to retype the whole thing. And for your students, it now becomes an ADA compliant document, which of course is something that we need to be concerned about. So that's it. I hope you found this helpful. As usual, you can always call me here in my office at, what's my number? 564-4537. And please take a look at our webpage and sign up for workshops. We teach people how to do cool stuff like this all the time. Thanks. Talk to you later.